My grandfather just parted ways with his 14 horse V-Twin Cub Cadet. He's had this ride-on lawnmower for about, oh man, say 20 years maybe. Could be totally wrong. He's had it for a while. So I'm gonna take the air filter off and squirt some gas in the air filter and see if it fires up. Put a jump on it. There's no battery. So my idea for this motor, it's going on a mini bike. This thing is a beast. Sounds so gnarly. V-Twin, baby. She's gonna pull. I don't even care if it's the fastest mini bike. It's gonna sound sick. Look at this thing. She's gonna rip. See if I can pick up a mini bike frame this weekend. We'll see. See what Craigslist has to offer. So this is gonna be a pretty extensive build. I'm definitely doing this like really legit. Get a custom gas tank made. Probably get the frame powder coated for the mini bike, whatever frame I get. Yeah, I'm gonna go on Go Power Sports. I've been watching these guys called the channel's called Cars and Cameras. They've definitely inspired me to do this build. So let's take the air filter off. Hopefully there's nothing in there. It looks, yeah, it's actually pretty dirty. See if I can get some fuel. Get the battery jumper or battery starter or battery charger and see if she goes. Got the battery charger hooked up. See if she goes. So here we go. This thing's been sitting here about 5 years outside. Nasty fuel still on it. Probably shouldn't fire it up with that fuel. I didn't check the oil, but I'll check that. Good to go. It's like it was changed yesterday. Throttle's completely seized. Choke still works, I think. I'll have to give it a couple taps in the starter. Hopefully the starter ain't completely seized. And I'm just gonna give the starter some taps. Just tap it. Just tap it. Just tap, tap, tap it. Starter actually looks pretty new. There's my grandfather. And he's cranking it. Savage. Shout out to my gramps for giving me the motor. Oh, this is sketchy. Maybe it'll fire up. Man, that sucks. Alright, I'm going to make another video tomorrow. It's getting pretty late, but I'm just going to go and get a new battery for it. Definitely going to get it going by Saturday. Keep you guys updated.